Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to boot your ASUS VivoBook S15 from USB. To boot your laptop from USB, all you have to do is short press the power button in the top right corner of your laptop's keyboard, and right after that, start repeatedly pressing escape button. At some point, you will see the one-time boot menu on your screen. You can navigate here using up and down arrow keys or just your touchpad. To select the USB, just navigate to the UEFI generic storage device and press enter. And this way, you will boot your device from your USB device. Right now we just have to wait until the booting process is started. And as you can see, it's the Windows 11 setup menu. However, I do not plan to install Windows 11 right now, so I'm just gonna press escape and then yes and exit this menu. But that's exactly how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.